Welcome to Dance Cars. Today I'm gonna work on my C30. As you can see, I ordered some parts. Oil change is gonna be later, but today I'm gonna change the spark plugs and the air filter and the cabin filter. And there's also another problem with the XC70, but you'll see that later in the video. Okay, let's get started with the spark plugs. I forgot the gloves. I'm still an accountant after all. Yeah, it's a bit better. I have no idea how old they are, so I guess can't hurt to change them. I'll be back after this message. Hello, I'm Dan, and as a man who's working on his own car, I need a refreshment. So in the afternoon it would be a beer, of course, but it's morning, so the obvious choice would be a bubbly Capri Sun. So let's see how good it is. It's disgusting. Okay, number 4. Ah, gloves. Next up is the cabin filter. Okay. Once again, I have no clue how to do it. The cabin filter is right here, and I just wondered, couldn't they find a worse spot for this? That's annoying. So you have to take the pedal out, and Volvo, really? This sucks. I didn't film how I changed the cabin filter because it was just awful. I swear a lot, and you don't need to see that. Noises, no nothing. So it's same as before, and that's a good sign. Is it possible that it has more power, or it feels like more power? I don't know. No clue. Tell me in the comments if that's possible. Maybe it's just in my head. I think it does run better, so that's great. So the next thing today is a problem with my XC70. I opened the sunroof the first time this week and saw that it's moldy. And it's just disgusting. Gonna clean that now. Okay, now everything is done. Don't forget to like this video, share it, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.